Good morning. I'm Sivakumar Raja, soft skills trainer, voice and accent trainer, public speaker, and a motivational speaker. I'm also into content writing. And today my topic is PIR, personal information round. To get into any job, let it be related to any industry, obviously the first round of interview would be a PIR, personal information round. So in this round, you should be able to speak about yourself at least for a couple of minutes. And if you can speak for more number of minutes, obviously it will do you more good. So you should always start the round with a name and you need to conclude the round with the family background. So after that, speak about your qualification. And if you're working somewhere, speak about your experience, nature of work, job responsibilities. Speak about your hobbies, speak about your role models. You can speak about your achievements. You can also speak about your weakness, but even the weakness should look like a strength. So this is how you need to go ahead in the personal information round. So before going ahead with the round, before getting into the in-depth of the round, let me speak something about myself. I'm Sivakumar Raja, soft skills trainer, voice and accent trainer, public speaker, and a motivational speaker. I'm into content writing. I'm also into training and placements. I've done my MA English and MCA from Osmania University, and I've been working from past 26 years for various engineering colleges and training regions. See, my job is to train the candidates. I also used to go to the companies to get the required tie-up. I take up interviews and later on I'll place them into companies. And coming to my strengths, I have good communication skills and I can speak fluent in English, Hindi, and Telugu. See, I got a passion to speak and teach English, so that made me get into this industry. I also go to the colleges to take up seminars that is regarding the importance of communication skills and jobs available in the industry. I also explain them regarding the different rounds of interviews. And my weakness is, see, I'm a perfectionist and I'm making an attempt to overcome that. I'm also attending the seminars to overcome that. And I feel restless till I complete the work allotted to me. And if you want to know regarding my family, my father retired as section officer and my mother, she's a good homemaker. And my wife is also a very good homemaker and my daughter is pursuing her schooling. So this is how you need to go ahead in the personal information round. See, again, the round cannot be the same for all the jobs. See, it differs for job to job. You need to adjust the round according to your convenience. At the same time, the round has to be adjusted according to the requirement of the company. So let me tell you how you need to do that. See, your strengths, your hobbies, your role model, your achievements, everything has to be adjusted, of course, according to your convenience. At the same time, it has to be adjusted according to the requirement of the company. See, for example, if you are attending a call center job, see, as I told you, the round cannot be the same for all the jobs. For example, if you are attending a call center job. So what exactly is the nature of work in the call center? See, you need to interact with people, okay? So you need to tell them that I love to interact with people. See, don't hesitate to tell them that you love to interact with people. See, let me tell you one thing. See, when I spoke about myself, I said that I got a passion to speak and teach English, and that made me get into this industry. Okay. See, to get into any job, let it be related to any industry, obviously what is required is a passion for the profession. So let me tell you one thing, unless until you have a passion, neither you'll be able to survive in the industry, nor you'll be able to get the required success in the industry. So in the PIR round, you need to mention that you got a passion for the profession. So even I always mention that I got a passion for the profession. I got a passion to speak and teach English. So that made me get into this industry. So the round has to be adjusted according to the requirement of the company. So when you go for a call center, you need to tell them that I love to interact with people. So don't hesitate to tell them that you love to interact with people. And when you go for an IT job, see what exactly is the nature of work in a programming job? See, you need to do the programming. So you need to tell the HR or the interviewer, see, you got a passion for the programming, and that made me get into this industry. So as I'm discussing about the IT, let me also tell you regarding the multimedia job. See, in the multimedia, you'll be playing with images and colors. You'll be working with Photoshop. You'll be working with print media, okay, web media, animations, 3D Max. So you'll be working with Photoshop, PageMaker, CorelDRAW, InDesign. Okay. So you'll be about 3D Max. So you'll be working with all those things, and you'll be playing with colors and images and what is required to get into that industry. See, you need to have a lot of creativity because you need to design the things. Okay. So what is required is a lot of creativity is required, and you don't have any hard and fast rules in the multimedia. See, when you go ahead with a multimedia job, you don't have any hard and fast rules. See, there will not be anyone to guide you. So you should be able to use your creativity and you should be able to make the required websites and designs. So you need to tell them that I got a lot of creativity and that made me get into this industry. So as I'm discussing about IT and IT enabled industry, I mean to say, as I'm discussing with regarding multimedia, let me also tell you regarding digital marketing. So what exactly you do in digital marketing? You'll be designing the websites, and see, after designing the website, unless until you make it come on the front page of Google, there is no fun in doing it. So you'll be doing the required search engine optimization and social media marketing. So let me not get into in depth of that because we are here to discuss about the personal information round. So in the social media, what you'll be doing is you need to connect your social media. I mean to say your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Google Plus, and LinkedIn to the website, which is called a social media marketing, to make it come on the front page of Google. So when you go ahead with the digital marketing job, you need to tell the HR that I love to interact with people through social media. That is Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Google Plus, and LinkedIn. Okay. So this is how you need to adjust around according to the convenience of the industry. And when you go ahead with the marketing job, see what exactly you do in the marketing. See, you need to travel, you need to meet people. Okay. So the nature of work is to travel and to meet people. So you need to tell the HR that I like to travel and I love to meet people. And when you go ahead with the manager job, so it can be a marketing manager or it can be a HR manager. So when you are applying for a manager job, how to adjust around according to the job. So how you define management? See, management is nothing but getting the work done through others rather doing it for yourself. So when you go for a manager job, you need to tell them that I'm good at getting the work done through others rather doing it for myself. So obviously to get into any industry, let it be related to any industry, to get into any job, let it be related to any industry, obviously you need to have good communication skills. Okay. Let me also tell you regarding medical transcription, general transcription, legal transcription. See, nature of work is to type. Let me not spend much time on that, but let me make an attempt to give you a bird's eye view regarding that industry. See, generally you'll be getting the information from the abroad, and people who are sitting at India, they would be listening to the information with the headphones and they would be typing it in the system. And they can rewind it and they can forward it. Generally, people who doesn't have good speaking skills, but who have got good written skills and typing skills would be getting into those jobs. So when you get into that job, you need to tell them that you got good written skills and you got good typing skills, and that made me get into this industry. And data processing job. So when you go ahead with the data processing job, what exactly you do in the data processing? See, information would be there in the systems, and you need to make the required editing in the information. See, in the data processing job, information would be there and you need to check for the spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes. Okay. So you should be able to edit the data. So you need to tell them that you got good typing skills, good editing skills to get into data processing job. So we discussed about call centers, IT, multimedia, digital marketing, manager job, marketing job. Okay. So legal transcription, general transcription, medical transcription. We also discussed about these jobs. So this is how we need to adjust around according to your convenience. At the same time, it should be adjusted according to the requirement of the job. So I'm signing out till we meet again. Bye for now. Have a nice day.